Hi everybody, welcome one more time to Crypto Femi, and it's another lovely time. We would be looking at the market quickly, and right, it has been a while. Today we'll be looking at the price action on Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin has been having a lot of interesting price action. We could see we had the lows in about 17,000, right? We had the low about 17,000, around 600, and we've been pushing downward, upward this channel for the past few days and weeks. And today we'll just be looking at today's technical analysis video to see what Bitcoin can do and our predictions for Bitcoin. If you go through our videos, you will have noticed that we've made a couple of predictions on Bitcoin, and most of them have really come out or really have a high percentage rate of success. And now we just try to just look at basically just the support and resistance, right, for Bitcoin, and just see where it's going. Today, I would love to start on the weekly time frame, right? Because we always have this saying in crypto, said when in doubt, zoom out. When in doubt, just zoom out and you will get a clear picture of what is happening exactly to the charts. So when we bring up our BTC chart on the weekly time frame, right? Now the weekly time frame, we have something like this, right? Just looking at our RSI, right? Our RSI, every single time, right, a green was printed, that was our local bottom, as you can see on the RSI. You had a green here, which was our local bottom, right? We came back to set a double bottom, and then we began to push up, right? We had another local top around here, had another local top here, and had another local top here. And from there, we began to come down, right? As you can see, had some little kinds of rally here, just a very few Larry, and we continued going down because the trend was going down. But something just happened, right? Which makes me to believe that we are gonna go up and higher, right? And this makes me very bullish about the Bitcoin price. And I will explain to you why in today's video, right? If you see our green sign, right, that has just shown, this is one of the oversold region for the RSI in the past few years at least. And we can see that our indicator printed a buy signal at around the 18K region, right? It printed a buy signal at around the 18K region. And I'll give you more and more proofs why I believe that the Bitcoin price is very bullish, and we could see a rally upwards to about 28,000, right? When we move over to the 3 days time frame, right, we could see that we had some sort of a double bottom right here, right? As you can see in the RSI, some sort of a double bottom before we began the rally. And as you can see from our 3 days time frame, there's still a lot of space on the RSI before it gets to the oversold region. So I believe we're going to rally up. And if you can see the resistance, right? Now, these lines are our support and our resistance, our support and resistance. We can see that every single time we come around this place, the Bitcoin price is being rejected. So we have a little resistance around this place. And so I believe that we might come rally up to the 25K, around 25K, 200, get rejected, but we will not get rejected a lot, right? And we'll continue rallying up. And I'll give you more proofs to show you that a rally is imminent. And if you're gonna take action, you should take action around this period. Now let's go to daily. Now, if we look at the daily on the RSI, you can still see, right, we'll still have a few more distance to go, right, on the Bitcoin price before we dump or before it gets to the oversold region, as you can see, right? We still have some few. So I believe we're still going to have a rally to around the 28K, right, before we see a dump. And this also shows that there's a huge support, sorry, resistance at the 28,800K, right? We might just go maybe some few uh uh thousand over it and then before we dump, right? Because we understand that this is a bear rally and it's all about support and resistance, support and resistance. You can see every time we rallied, we came back to the support. We rallied, came back to the support. We rallied, came back to the support. We rallied, came back to the support. So every single time the Bitcoin price is being supported, right? So even if we dump, we're going to still come back to the support of 22,400. If for any reason we dump, you're going to come back to 22,400 and then we pump, right? So I believe that we are just in an uptrend and don't try to short in an uptrend. Right? It might be a bear market rally, but it's still a rally. And so don't try to short during this period. As you can see, most of the bears have been wrecked on the way up. So you don't want to be wrecked. You want to follow the trend of the market, and the trend is telling us it's an uptrend. So hopefully in the weeks or in the coming weeks, we should be expecting 28K. So if you want to long, that's about a 16% increase in price. But I'll tell you, use very good stop loss because we have a lot of market makers that might try to just wiggle the price before we move up. So I trust you learned a lot from this video. If you like it, please click on the subscribe button. Please subscribe, like the videos, and share the videos with your friends. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a great day.